Okay, guys, quick example, finding scientific notation. First number I'm giving you is a very, very big number. This is 3,034,000,000. So remember, you got to identify your base first. So that's the first natural number to the last natural number and any zeros in between. So here's my base. Decimal always goes after the first number, making it the ones place. All right, so that means a decimal, we're moving it here. Times 10 always comes next. And the decimal was originally there. We're going to move it to here. So that's going to be 3, 6, and then 9 places. And is the exponent positive or negative? Remember, if the number is above 1, it's positive. So in this case, it will be positive. If the number was below 1, it would be negative. So next example. This is obviously one of those very small numbers, like something you would see in microbiology or something like that. So again, the base is the first natural number to the last natural number and any zeros in between. In this case, there aren't any. Here's my base. Decimal goes after the first number, making that the ones place, just like we did before. Times 10 comes next. Okay. And the decimal is going to be between the 7 and the 1. It's here now, so that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 places. And is this number above 1 or below 1? It's below 1. So that means this would have a negative exponent. And there you go. So that's standard form to scientific notation. So now we'll go backwards. Here is scientific notation, and we want to turn it into standard form. So the steps are a little bit different. You want to start with your base. Okay. The decimal's right here. We're going to move it 6 places. Do we go to the right or to the left? If it's a positive 6, so in other words, this number is going to be above 1, so we'll go to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that would be 5, 2, 3 with 4 zeros. So that looks like 5,230,000. Remember, always check your work. If you have a positive exponent like we do here, then the number should be above 1. All right, here's my base, 4. Okay, the decimal is now negative, so that means I need to go to the left. My bad, go to the left, making the number start with a decimal. In other words, it needs to be less than 1 because it's negative. So I'm going to go 1 to get around the 4 and then 7 more zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 decimal place and 7 zeros. That should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And always rewrite it. You don't want to box your answer in with all kind of arrows and stuff like that in it. So your final answer would be that right there, written neatly, and that is scientific notation.